Hindi nangyari sa akin isang malaking pagkakamali yun.
Ayan po.
Kailangan na nakasama mo eh.
Hawakan niyo na po dyan. Ayan.
Tigilan mo na.
Okay, magandang umaga po. Ngayon po ay December 10, 2009. Bali, nandito po ulit ako sa bahay ni Daddy Pablo Remogat upang i-dressing ko po ulit ang sugat po niya. Ngayon po, ang blood pressure po niya good po. Bali, 120/80 po. Simulan na po ulit natin ngayon ang pag-dressing po ng sugat po ni Daddy.
Alam ko pumasok ka.
Oo, kasi kasama ng pakiramdam ko.
Kunin mo na doon yung hairband. Ibahan nyo
Kami dito na. Dito na po. Dito na po.
Kunin mo na.
Ay, magulo doon, magulo. Hindi ko alam kung nandun yung mga... Mami, dito po. Hawakan mo.
Sigo na.
Baka ko sa pakindot, ha?
Yan.
Yan. Kapat mo lang. Kung saan din ginagawa. Tapos na siyang magsalita.
Dapat kasi may pakinapan naman dito.
Yan, ilayo mo ate. Tapos minsan kunan mo rin ako.
Nag-iisa na nga lang ako nito. Tapos dahil ko nag-iipisan.
Tingnan natin kung gaano kalinis na yung sugat ni Daddy, oh.
Makikita ko pa. Kasi hindi na ako tumulong. Parang kumapit yung tao.
Ang kagandahan dito, nagkakaroon na siya ng, ano, umiibabaw na
Mga panabi.
yung laman niya.
Pagsawa.
Mahal siya. Iangat mo ate, tapos ipakita mo yung mukha.
Kita-kita mo dyan.
Dati, ano eh,
Hindi ako papayag.
malalim.
Huli mo kung parang basura.
Ang daling tumubuan naman.
Merry Christmas! Oh, where's the fun? Dapat Goldilocks party please. Sarap na party. To have respective territories for the big clans so that they would not come into conflict with each other. Many times they mention something about Rido, which is actually clan wars or something to the effect that there could have been some thefts of
Wala nang nanay.
between two
Wala na.
big families, interrelated families. Though they may be interrelated. So what happens is
Ano,
it goes
Daddy,
down from one
malinis na talaga
generation
siya.
to another that there is this big fight or something which sometimes the generation of today would not remember anymore.
Ako medyo ilayo.
Tayo ang
For
konti.
a few minutes
Ayan. Tapos buha.
after the speech or the statement or the reaction or the interpolation as to whatever else it may be called as Senator Miriam Defensor.
Ayan, hindi na siya masyadong madumi.
Worked on the same premise that we read in the papers this morning. The premise that there has to be some ideological mix for...
Ngayon po, lalagyan ulit natin ng green barley. Full
And when
boost
we
na.
interviewed Senator Adele earlier, he said that this is not a necessity. I mean, you could have all sorts of systems, Leninism, Marxism, the ideology of Marxism and so forth. And so each his own. We leave it to the viewers, to you, the general public, to listen carefully to all the arguments that are being raised on the floor, to all the interviews that we have conducted.
John President and silent fashion, denying a lot of the time around, especially inside the paint. And the view doesn't start with people on to today, or in the second half, they go with Rios Cervantes, who came up with it earlier in the first quarter. After starting out 4 for 3 people to 1, Sondu hasn't disputed since. And this guy, or that guy, there is Cervantes, makes that shot and has picked up the slack. Story about people on the we'll talk about him later. When he checks in the first.
Kumusta naman Daddy yung pakiramdam mo? Wala nang umiinom kayo ng green barley.
Physical guarding or Cyrus. Everybody knows that about Yancy. He is a stern cookie.
Normal ba?
Nakakadumi na nga yung dumumi ako niya.
Right, he plays top of the ball.
Ilang beses po kayo dumumi sa isang araw?
Very hard-working guy.
Ngayon nga lang, panatong araw ngayon.
Right ball right there. That ball.
Ilang beses kayo dumumi sa isang araw?
Referee Julian Rego, Cortez Jr. and Deluna joining us today. Great shown by Aldrich. The foul on the aggressive drive from the right. When this guy is called upon, especially
Ito ang juicy fruit. Buo at puno ng juice. Ito naman ang sa iba. Isa at halos wala ng juice. Kaya para sa akin, tropical at juicy fruit. Ready? Oo, mga bata. Masama pakiramdam. Absent ulit. Gastos nga eh. Kasi naman,
Pagpipili ko ba kayo si Mother
at
Medical?
saka malaking kilo ng bear brand, mga 10 pesos lang kada baso.
Dami wala siya.
Yes, because it's a milk na may iron, zinc, at vitamin C pa. Mapalakas resistensya. Iba yun, ha? Iba ang sa gatas, lalo na ang sa bear brand. Tanda? Go ahead!
Ma'am Nestle, hanggang saan naaabot ang 20 pesos mo? Ay,
finally beat Ateneo, something they haven't done in a long time.
Buti na lang may mga kliyente. Mga pato.
Last time they lost back-to-back.
Pambili kami ng bahay. Ayan po, tapos na po.